So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do with Claude AI is go ahead and create out diagrams. So let's say I want to go ahead and create out a flowchart diagram of a program to add two numbers. So for that, I can simply go ahead and say this: create a flowchart for a program which adds two numbers right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and say, and I can say generate it as HTML file right here, just like this. So once I do that, what happens is that it goes ahead and creates a flowchart for the program right here. And since I said generate it out as HTML, it simply goes ahead and then creates out a HTML file, as you can see right here. So it goes ahead and draws out all of the content right here and will make it out. So over here, you can see that you get all of the code. So you just need to wait for a while for this to complete generating. And it completed generating, and this is what you see. So you got a flowchart right here, which is actually quite interactive, that adds into numbers right here. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and say now make it using SVG format, let's say, for example, right here. And as you do that, what happens is that it'll actually go ahead and then generate it out in SVG format instead. So you can see that it is thinking, so it's connecting the arrows and all right here. So you just need to wait. And you can see that when you say make it using SVG, you can actually see the graphics being generated in real time as well. So you got the start, the input A, input B, compute A and B, output, and then end. And you can see the detail right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and download out the file right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and then download this out right here. And as I open it, you can see that this is what you have right here, the SVG format of the flowchart, that is the diagram right here. So just like this, you can go ahead and create out different sort of diagrams as you like in Claude AI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.